Okay, to automatically send the videos in Lemlist campaigns after they generate, what you want to do is set everything up in Clay using the Sendspark integration. So you have your data in Clay, and then you're adding the contacts into Sendspark. And then when they get generated, they're going to be, in your campaign here. So this is like, instead of manually adding contacts, you're just pushing contact data in here. And then the next thing you want to do is automatically send these in Lemlist. So what you can do, you hit share campaign and grab this snippet for Lemlist. And then what you're doing in Lemlist, in your email here, and I'll delete this so I can re-add it, is you're going to add in that snippet. And the way I do this is I put a little video placeholder tag here and then switch into code view. And then you can just find your little video snippet, delete this, and replace it with a real video, and then switch back to code view. So you get everything here. So the campaign's ready to go. And then as soon as like the real emails for these contacts, like the real videos for these contacts exist, we're going to replace the placeholder snippet with a real video based on the email address. So, looking at this list again, like this email is going to get that video. So you can go ahead and save this. And then since in Clay, what we're doing is we're sending the video to Sendspark, we're generating the video. And when it's good, we're saying, hey, success. Then we can go on and add the next step to add the contact into the Lemlist sequence. The only thing is we want to make sure that we're waiting until the video actually generates to add them. So if you just add them right away, it might send them too soon, like before the video generates. So I like to add just one step here, and you can take anything that's returned in the Sendspark thing and just create it as a column. And then that way I can add the next step to add them into the Lemlist sequence, but I can check and be like, hey, only do this if video link exists. So you do Lemlist, add lead the campaign, and then, add the campaign that you want to do. Lemlist Clay demo, email, first name, and then just at the bottom in run conditions, then I'll say, only run if video link exists. I can use AI to generate that formula. And then I can go ahead and save and run. And so now what this whole thing's doing, and I can add more contacts, is, we have the data, we're generating the video, we're waiting till this video link exists, then we're adding them to the Lemlist sequence where we have that video placeholder ready to go. So everyone's going to get that personalized video made for them.